So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment. Social Networks, Week 7, Assignment 7. So, the first question is what term describes the process where a post is shared by user to their followers, creating a chain of sharing. So, these are the options: clustering, diffusion, modularity, centrality. So, the answer of our first question is B, diffusion. Now, the second question is why might a post spread faster within a specific community compared to across communities. So these are the option and the answer of our second question is B. Community members share similar interest, increasing engagement. Now the third question is what does the size of an informa on cascade represent in this context? So these are the option and the answer of our third question is B. Number of users who share the post. Now the fourth question is if a user's threshold for sharing a post is zero point 0.3, what does this means in a threshold model? So these are the option and the answer of our fourth question is A. They share if 30% of their friends have shared. Now, the fifth question is why might starting a viral campaign from a node bridging multiple communities be more effective than from within one community? So, these are the option, and the answer of our fifth question is B. Bridging nodes reach multiple communities quickly. Now, the sixth question is case study adoption of electric vehicle. What type of network is typically used to model EV adoption among consumers? So these are the option and the answer of our sixth question is B, social network. Now the seventh question is how do early adopters influence EV diffusion? So these are the option and the answer of our seventh question is C, both A and B. Now, the eighth question is in a threshold model for EV adoption, what does a consumer's threshold represent? So, these are the option, and the answer of our eighth question is B, fraction of social circle that adopts EVs. Now, the ninth question is how might EV diffusion differ between a high environmental concern community and a low concern community? So, these are the option, and the answer of our ninth question is A, faster in high concern due to lower threshold. Now, the 10th question is what condition is needed for a large EV adoption cascade from a small seed set? So, these are the option, and the answer of our 10th question is C. Giant component with many nodes having low threshold. Now, case study 3 spreads of protest movement. So, the question 11th is how does information about a protest movement primarily spread to potential participants? So, these are the option and the answer of our 11th question is B. Social network and word of mouth. Now the 12th question is what role do opinion leaders play in protest movement diffusion? So these are the option and the answer of our 12th question is B. Influence other to join. Now the 13th question is why might a protest spread faster in a densely connected network? So these are the option and the answer of our 13th question is B. Information travels faster through multiple paths. Now, the 14th question is in a threshold model. If a person threshold is zero point 0.5 and they have 10 friends, how many friends must join the protest for them to consider joining? So, these are the option and the answer of our 14th question is A, 5. Now, the 15th question is how do activists traveling between two cities affect protest spread? So, these are the option and the answer of our 15th question is A, act as bridges enabling spread if influential. Now the case study for scientific idea diffusion. Question 16 is in a citation network. How does a scientific idea spread from one paper to another? So these are the option and the answer of our 16th question is B, citations. Now the 17th question is why might a paper in a well stabilized field have more citations than one in a niche field? So these are the option and the answer of our 17th question is B, more researchers in the field. Now the 18th question is what does a cascade in a citation network represent? So these are the option and the answer of our 18th question is A, sequence of papers citing each other. Now 19th question is why might a paper with low initial citations become highly cited later while another with high initial citations plateaus? So these are the option and the answer of our 19th question is B, first paper is in a growing field. Now the 20th question is what role do gatekeeper paper play in scientific idea diffusion? So these are the option and the answer of our 20th question is A, cited by many, cite few. Now the case study 5 online forum discussion. 21st in an online forum, what does a thread represent in network science? So these are the option and the answer of our 21st question is B, sequence of reply post. Now the 22nd question is how does community structure affect topic diffusion in a forum? So these are the option and the answer of our 22nd question is C, both A and B. Now the 23rd question is in a forum network, nodes as users, edge as interaction, what is a cascade? So these are the option and the answer of our 23rd question is D, moderate controlling content. Now the 24th question is, why might some forum threads take off while other don't, despite similar initial posts? So these are the option, and the answer of our 24th question is C, both A and B. Now the 25th question is, how can a topic spread between sub forums? So these are the option, and the answer of our 25th question is D, all of the above. Now case study 6, financial contagion. So 26th question is, in an interbank lending network, what does an edge from bank A to bank B represent? So these are the option, and the answer of our 26th question is A land to B. Now, 27th question is, how do default cascades occur in financial network? So these are the option, and the answer of our 27th question is C, both A and B. Now the 28th question is, how does community structure affect financial contagion? So these are the option, and the answer of our 28th question is C, both A and B. Now the 29th question is, in a threshold model for bank default, what network property enhance resilience to shock? So these are the option, and the answer of our 29th question is C, core periphery structure. Now the 30th question is, if banks X and Y have equal lending relationship, but X lends to central banks and Y to peripheral ones, whose default trigger a large cascade? So these are the option, and the answer of our 30th question is A, X affecting central bank. Now submit your answer. So thank you friends for watching our video.